Extra properties, I'll just make separate video on that. So first property, okay, this is one of the important property, log a to the power b. Log a to the power b. Here b has to be the power of a. Okay, so log a to the power b is equal to b. Okay, so this will become b log a b log a. So this is the formula. So log a to the power b is equal to b log a is the first formula. Okay, then I'm going to write so this is formula. Then for log this so you know this formula. Then b is equal to b log a. That's log a into b. Log a into b. Log of a into b. So let's take it. Log of a. So log of a is equal to log of a plus log a plus log a is the second formula. Log of a is equal to log a plus log a. You all know that multiplication is equal to multiplication is log a plus log a. So the log a is equal to the number yes, it's log of a into b c into is both of it is log of log a plus log b plus log a divided by b. Log a divided by b. So when in the you know that division is equal to log a by b is log a minus log b. Log a minus log. So this is what actually comes. Okay, so the formula is log a over b. Log a over b is log a over b. Second, so let's focus on this one. Log of a into b is equal to so this is the log a plus log a plus log a and log a by b is equal to log a plus log a. Okay, next question. Function power function ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ. Okay, so this is a continuation of log series only ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Okay, so before getting into the sums, so ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಈ ತರ ಸಮ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರು ಇದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೋಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಸೊ y is equal to function to the power function. Y is equal to function to the power function. So ಈ ತರ ಬಂದಾಗ how to do the differentiation. Okay, so step 1 ಬಂದು first thing is, so you have to take y is equal to so function to the power function. So take it like this. So y is equal to, sometimes question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ y is equal to ಅಂತ, so you should take it. Okay, so y is equal to function to the power function. So second step is take log on both sides. So log y is equal to log function to the power function. So this is the second step makle. Okay, log y is equal to log function to the power function. So next already one formula discuss madidvi, that is log a to the power b. Log a to the power b is b log a. So this is one of the important properties, so we use it most of the time. So ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ y is equal to ಸೊ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಂಟು ಲಾಗ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಂಟು ಲಾಗ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ನೋ ಹೌ ಟು ಡು ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸೈಡು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ y ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬಂತು. ಸೊ 1/y ಇಂಟು dy by dx is equal to ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್. ಓಕೆ, product rule. So this is the third step and this is the fourth step. Okay, so this is what the actual method that we follow. Okay, so ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So when it is function to the power function, okay, so sin x power x, cos x power x, ಇಲ್ಲ cos x power sin x, ಈ ತರ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನ y is equal to ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Y is equal to function to the power function. After that we will take log on both sides, log a to the power b. So we have already learned how to use log a to the power b. So this is called b log a. Then we once we bring down the power to the base, so then after that we just use a differentiation. So the differentiation, it is 1/y into dy by dx is equal to, this side it is product rule, and ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸೈಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ most of the time. Okay, 99% of the time, so this side will be product rule. Okay, ಸೊ ಅದೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಹಾಕುವಾಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಸಮ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಅನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದು y is equal to x to the power cos x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x to the power cos x ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಪವರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್? x ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ನೀವು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಂಡ್ cos x ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇವನ್ cos x has differentiation. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಪವರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಏನು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಲಾಗ್ y is equal to log x to the power cos x. log x to the power cos x. ಸಿ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ನ ಬರೀನೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಎನಿ ಆಫ್ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ cos x into log x. ಸೊ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋ ರಾಂಗ್ ಎನಿವೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ log y is equal to cos x into log x, cos x into log x. So ಈ cos x ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, cos x into log x. So ಇವಾಗ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Then it's very easy. Okay, so log y differentiation is 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ cos x ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ, log x differentiation is 1 by x plus log x ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ, cos x differentiation is minus sin x. Yes, finally dy by dx ನ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ, so dy by dx is equal to ಈ y ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, y of ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ y of cos x by x minus sin x into log x. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಈ y ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋದು, ಸೊ y ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಈ ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, x to the power cos x ಅಂತ. ಸೊ y is what? It is x to the power cos x of cos x by x minus sin x log x is the final answer. Okay, so this is all you have to do it. So ಇದರ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದು log x to the power cos x. Okay, so the first step is it's always y ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. So let's take y is equal to log x to the power cos x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Okay, this is the first step that you have to do it. Okay, ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ಬೋದು, so already log ಇದೆ, so directly can we use log on both sides? So instead of using on log on both sides, ಈ cos x ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ತಂದಿಡಬಹುದಾ? In that case, my answer is no ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Okay, the condition is, see ನಿಮಗೆ log a to the power b. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದ್ರ ಪವರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಂದಿರಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ here the condition is log x, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ cos x ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ cos x, log x, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ cos x ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಪವರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ once again we have to take log on both side. Okay, so I'll take log on both side. So this is log y is equal to, so this becomes log of log x into log of log x into cos x. Yes, so ಇಲ್ಲಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈ cos x ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು log y is equal to cos x into log of log x. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಆಯಿತು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ it's very simple. So you just have to differentiate this. So log y differentiation same 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to cos x ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡೋಣ, log x differentiation log of log x. So log x differentiation is 1 by x, but 1 by log x into log x differentiation is 1 by x plus log of log x na agedana cos x differentiation. So cos x differentiation is minus sin x. Okay, minus sin x. So idanandra basic differentiation artha agtilla anta ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ please go and watch my previous videos ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So previous videos ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಾವು ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಲಿಂಕ್ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ವಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಯ್ತು, dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to, as usual, y ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So y of it is cos x divided by x log x plus, okay, plus ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದಲ್ವಾ? So this becomes minus sin x into log of log x. Okay, as usual, you know that y we can replace by the function. So that is log x whole to the power cos x ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ನ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕಾದ್ರು. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿಚಾರನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಗಂತೂ ಲೈಕ್ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಿ, y is equal to x to the power x minus 2 to the power sin x ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ x power x, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು 2 power sin x ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ನಾವು ಲಾಗ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ log y is equal to if I just take a log of x power x minus 2 power sin x, ಈ ತರ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಈ ತರ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಇಸ್, ಸಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್ log a into b. ಓಕೆ, a into b is equal to log a plus log b ಅಂತ ಕಲ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಎನಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಲೈಕ್ log of a plus b is equal to log a plus log b. Okay, the second formula what I have written here, it's not exist makle. Okay, so this formula is not exist. Log of a plus b is not exist. Log of a into b can be taken as log a into log b, but log of a plus b formula ilve illa namge. So adhe tara naniga log adu tagondre, so this we cannot take it as log x to the power x minus log 2 to the power sin x. So this is the major reason, so we can't do log on both sides ee cases alli. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ small difference ಇದೆ. So the difference is, I'll tell you. Okay, so the difference is, it's very simple. Okay, so either yavaga double functions barutte, and when two power functions separated by minus plus alla, take two different variable. So here I'll take y is equal to u plus v, very simple. So u ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, so let's take minus only. Okay, u minus v. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತು what is u is x to the power x and v is 2 to the power sin x. So ನಾವು ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದು dy by dx, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? So let's take dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to partial differentiation. So the du by dx ಆಗುತ್ತೆ minus dv by dx ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So you can ask me, sir, u and v are constants, so why did you write the differentiation like du by dx and dv by dx? See, what are these u and v? So u and v are representing the function of x. Okay, here x to the power x and 2 to the power sin x. So in that case, those differentiation cannot be zero makle. And here idu nodi namge u andre u is x to the power x and v is 2 to the power sin x. Okay, in this case once again nimge gottu how to solve that. So what I want you to do is, so take two things. So u is equal to x to the power x and v is equal to 2 to the power sin x. Now in procedure madidde previous case, okay, that is take log on both side, the same procedure you will do it here. So log u is equal to log x to the power x, and here log v is equal to log 2 to the power sin x, log 2 to the power sin x. And here it's very simple, 1 by u into du. Oh sorry, before that we have to write one step, right? So that is log u is equal to x will come down, so here you will write it, and here sin x will come down. So let's write that step, x into log x, and log v is equal to sin x into log 2, sin x into log 2. Okay, so now it's ready to differentiate, so let's differentiate. So 1 by u into du by dx is equal to product rule, x into 1 by x plus log x into x differentiation is 1, and here in this case it is 1 by v into dv by dx is equal to sin x I'll keep as it is, log 2. Okay, so wait a minute, so here you don't use product rule either, because log 2 is a number makle. Okay, log 2 is a number and here it is only sin 2 is a function. So let's do one thing, log 2 I'll keep it as it is, and sin x differentiation is cos x. Okay, here you can use product rule also, but remember log 2 differentiation is not 1 by 2 into 2 differentiation 0. Okay, even in that case you will end up getting 0, but don't do that. So log 2 you consider as constant, so it's not log x, it is log 2, and sin x differentiation cos x. So it's a simple idu. Okay, so don't go for this product rule. So this is ready. In this case we can just solve further. So we got to know du by dx is u is what makla, it is x power x of 1 plus log x, and dv by dx is, so 2 to the power sin x into log 2 cos x. So du by dx and dv by dx both we got it. Now let's replace them in this equations. Okay, so this is the equations that we got in the beginning itself. So let's take that as the equation start. So we have got du by dx and dv by dx. Let's put them together. So dy by dx is equal to du by dx. So du by dx yavadu namge, this is the du by dx. So let's replace that. So it is x to the power x of 1 plus log x. Okay, 1 plus log x minus, so this minus, and dv by dx is 2 to the power sin x into log 2 cos x. So let's replace them. So it is I'll write log 2 first into 2 to the power sin x into cos x. Okay, so this is what the final answer makle. So istu madidre saaku. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಜರ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನೇನು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ u and v. In the previous case ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ because it was only single function like x to the power x. ಇದೊಂದೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ don't go for this purana. So just go for this, take log on both sides and you know how to solve it. But here in this case, when two function power function iddaga, you will take u and v and then partial agi differentiation ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. dy by dx is equal to du by dx, in between minus idre minus, plus idre plus, dv by dx. So two separate things. So already nimge practice agide. So then put it together in the end. That is what so this is what the answer your teacher will expect you to do it. So next is sum ಬಂದು x plus 1 by x whole to the power x plus x to the power 1 plus 1 by x ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಪವರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದಾಗಿ ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಆನ್. ಸೊ we can't just take log on both sides. We should go for that u plus v method. Okay, so let's take y is equal to u plus v. Okay, so last time ಮಾಡಿದ procedure ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗೋಣ, but since it is a bigger sum, so what I'll do is I'll take one at a time ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Okay, so I'll differentiate u and then I'll go for v differentiation. Yes, so let's take u is equal to x plus 1 by x whole to the power x plus 1 by x whole to the power x. So log on both sides. So log u is equal to log x will come here, log of x plus 1 by x. Okay, so x came here after taking log. So now differentiation ಮಾಡೋಣ. So 1 by u into du by dx, 1 by u into du by dx is equal to x. I'll keep it as it is, this differentiation. So it is 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x into x plus 1 by x differentiation is 1 minus 1 by x square, 1 minus 1 by x square. Okay, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ x differentiation is 1 plus 1 by x differentiation ಬಂದು minus 1 by x square ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Okay, so that is one thing that you have to keep in mind in this. Plus now log of x plus 1 by x, I'll keep it as it is, and x differentiation ಬಂದು 1. Okay, so this is what the differentiation step. So now if I just rewrite this, so it is u into u will come here. I'll write this as x of 1 minus x square divided by x plus 1 by x plus log of x plus 1 by x, because ಇಲ್ಲಿ u ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, so that's why you should take bracket like this. So u is what is u? Oh, it's bigger one. X plus 1 by x whole to the power x of x of 1 minus 1 by x divided by x plus 1 by x plus log of 1 by x. So ಇದು ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೋ ರಾಂಗ್ ಎನಿವೇರ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇನ್ ದ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ರಬ್ಬಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದಿಸ್. ಫೈನಲಿ ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ du by dx. ಸೊ this is where I have to replace. So we have forgot to write one step. So here dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Okay, so in place of du by dx, you are going to replace this answer. Okay, ಇದನ್ನು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So write down. I'll rub this after finding out dv by dx, just put them back. So v is equal to x of 1 plus 1 by x, x of 1 plus 1 by x. So same procedure. So log v is equal to log x of 1 plus 1 by x. So log v is equal to 1 plus 1 by x into log x. So we will not find it difficult here. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಷ್ಟೇನ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So easily you can solve this. So log v andre, so 1 by v into dv by dx is equal to I'll keep 1 by 1 plus x, so 1 plus 1 by x as it is. Log x differentiation ಬಂದು 1 by x plus log x na ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ. 1 differentiation is 0 and this is minus 1 by x square. So what we can write here is dv by dx. So dv by dx is equal to v of 1 by x of 1 plus 1 by x minus log x by x square. So what is v? V andre it is x to the power of x 1 plus 1 by x. So x to the power of 1 plus 1 by x of 1 by x of so this is the final answer. Okay, it's not final answer, I'm so sorry. So this is dv by dx control. Yes, finally you have to replace this in the step. Now we'll baradwala. So y is equal to u plus v. So dy by dx. What is dy by dx? It is du by dx plus dv by dx. So illige averadu answer na 6 iddre final agi answer sigutte. Okay, so I hope idu artha agide anta. So it's a big procedure makle. Okay, procedure elladrullu same control, so it's not so difficult, but the thing is lengthy agide. Okay, so by keeping this in mind, please don't sit and cry that you can't do this kind of assumptions. It's very simple. Yes, so let's see the next question.